Welcome back. Now let us learn the history of R. And the history of R, say this is the logo of R, and this is the birthplace of R, the University of Auckland in New Zealand. And it was designed by Ross Ica and Robert Gentleman. And there are a lot of the R core team. And as per the document or Wikipedia, it appeared in August 1993 for the first time, and it has a license of GNU GPL. It has been written source code in C, Fortran, and R itself. And the place where all the R information is there, the link here I have pasted here. This is the, if you want to know anything about the R, this is the source. Okay, so while I have pasted it, and let me see while it is bringing, I wanted to show you. See, first of all, R is an open source language, and it works across platform, whether it is a Windows, Mac, Linux, and everything. And it has a huge community. You can see with a community point of view that if you search on Google that any help you want, you see how much help you need. It has a support of statistics, advanced statistics. Plus it is extremely comprehensive, and most important, it's very, very simple. You will realize when you start working, it's very, very simple and very, very powerful. And I have just opened this site. So this is the R network, CRAN. This is also known as a CRAN. And in CRAN, you will find a lot of the things. First of all, you can see the download R for Linux, Mac, Windows. So mine is Windows. So I'm clicking on download R for Windows. And here it will have the three things: base and R tool. So go to the base and see, this is the version as of now available. But you whichever the version it is available when you are here, please take it that one. I have already installed and downloaded, so I'm not clicking on it. And this is the first R. And the second thing, to download the R tool. R tool is a kind of tool which builds a few of the R projects and for R libraries. What it means that there are some of the R things which are the source code. So once you get the source code, R tool really builds that. So you download the latest one, and you can choose whatever the latest one, that is good enough. And while installing, just make sure by default it will install in C drive. So let the default folder be there, because it looks like that is hard coded by, or that is looked up by some other source code. So for R tool, do not change the installation path, but for R, you can change wherever you want, you can install it. So if you see that the place where I have installed R, so I have installed R, let me show you. I have installed in the program files. And see over here, I have removed the space. I have created one new program files, because there are few libraries in the R which does not like a space in between. So this is the program files I have created my own, and here R is installed, and this is the installation folder. So please make sure that wherever you install, you can install it anywhere. There is no space in the folder name, and please make sure that this version name should be there in the folder, so that you can recognize. Okay, because once you become expert, probably you may work out with 2 to 3 different versions depending upon the project. I am working on the different projects, so that is why this one, if you see the 3.4, 3.3, I have kept it, because I'm working with different projects. And this is R tool about I was talking about. R tool, let it get installed in C drive only. For Windows, it installed C drive R tool, so let it be here only, C drive R tool. Do not change the default folder location, because many other source, they look here only. So that is the about R. And these are the few of the useful website. Let me show you, so that you are aware of these things. And by the time it is loading, let me open one more website. This is called RStudio. Okay. Yes, it has opened it. R project. So first of all, if you want to know anything about the official thing, these are the few sites. One is R project, another is CRAN. These are the two places where you should be knowing all the official things about new releases and anything detailed. So it is the official site of R, and we'll be using IDE, Integrated Development Environment, RStudio. So RStudio has been a graphical way through which you can develop, and RStudio you can download this one. As soon as you say click RStudio and download, it will take you to the download page, and in case of download you will see lot of the options. Okay, I'm just clicking once more. So here I have clicked as a download. It is taking me to the download page. Yeah, so for your learning purpose, please use this free one. This is usually available on your desktop or laptop. So this one is the good enough for the learning purpose. And see, this is the free. So this is where you download it. This is for RStudio, and once you download RStudio, you can install anywhere. I have installed again in the same folder where I had shown you. Let me show you once more. Here. So I have installed RStudio in my DDrag program files. You can install it anywhere you want. Does not matter. Once you have installed, this will look like, okay. So this is fine. And while you are learning purpose, please make sure you install only one version of R. Do not install more than one. Okay. And that's now how to do the installation. So in the R coding folder, I have created something called rsoftware.txt. This has the steps for installing all the software that you need over here. You need to have the desktop or laptop, 16 GB RAM, and minimum 100 GB hard disk. 64-bit OS is good enough, and while installing R, it will ask you 64-bit or 32-bit. Please choose only 64-bit. So what is the meaning of this? Let me explain you once more. Just a minute, let me explain here. In case of base, when you install this one, while installing it will give you option for both 32-bit and 64-bit. See the OS, if you have 64-bit, please install only 64-bit, not the both. Okay, good. And make sure you have the internet access, because we will be using downloading the few of the libraries. The place I have shown you where to download R on RStudio as well. R tool I have shown you the place. And once you have downloaded, then R will be installed. So you can see that how it has been installed. I am clicking. So this you will be getting the R prompt. That is the core R engine. So it will be, this is R prompt. And here I have provided something called here libraries.r. Please open the libraries.r and so either R or so this libraries.r. As soon as you open this one, so these are the list of the libraries that we are going to use it. So how can you go ahead and do it? Simply copy paste everything, Control A, Control C on the R prompt here, like you paste it, paste. So once you paste, it will get pasted and it will take approximately 1 hour to install, depending upon your internet bandwidth. So it is pasting it, and once the paste is complete, simply press enter. so that all these are run, and in one go it will keep on installing it. Few times it will keep on asking, should I install all? Yes, no. Wherever it is asking all, please give all. Where it was asking yes, no, please give yes, and it will take approximately 1 hour. I have already done it, so I'm not going to do it again, but please make sure you do this install of library so that you don't have to keep on doing every time during the course. That's all. Yeah, see if it has pasted. Now as soon as I click enter, it will start doing it. I'm not pressing the enter, I'm closing this one, and I'm just closing that R core engine, and let me go back to the software again. So once this is done, after this you are done it. You should have the Excel file, and because I'm going to explain something, you should have the latest Java or Java 8 and above. Okay, and there are few data files you can download from these are the sites, and for the text analytics, these are the things you can download in the beginning, or you can wait till the text analytics part. There I am going to explain it once more. This is all about history of R, installation of R, and various other libraries of R. That's all for the R thing. And thanks for watching this, and see you in the next video.